Operating the cooktop. The cooktop features a total of 17 power levels ranging from 1 through 9, with an intermediate setting in between each level for precise control. Always turn on your ventilation prior to cooking to establish an airflow that ensures grease, odors, and steam are effectively vented from the cooking area. To turn on the cooktop, place the twist knob on the twist pad and touch the power icon. The twist knob automatically centers itself on the twist pad and is used to select the cooking zones and power levels. To activate a cooking zone, tilt the twist knob towards the desired cooking zone and select a power level. If no pan is placed on the cooking zone prior to turning on the cooktop and selecting the cooking zone and power level, the zone display will blink until cookware is detected. If cookware is not placed on the zone within 30 seconds, the zone will switch itself off. To select a function, first place the pan on the cooking zone. Select the zone, then select the function symbol. The chosen function symbol will appear in the display. To deactivate the function, first tilt the twist knob to the cooking zone, press the function symbol, and rotate the twist knob to select the desired cooking temperature. Using the flex zone with the accessory teppanyaki pan. The teppanyaki accessory, available from the eShop, adapts perfectly to the flexible cooking zone. The direct contact of the pan ensures uniform heat transfer, and the frying sensor can be used with the teppan pan to maintain consistent uniform temperature. Cooking with the teppanyaki is easy and healthy as very little oil is needed. Activating the frying sensor. To cook with the accessory sensor pans and engage the sensor frying option, first determine a suitable power level for cooking the food from the chart on page 19 of the user guide. Turn on the cooktop. Place the pan in the center of the cooking zone and select the frying sensor option. A1 will light up in the display. Select the appropriate power level with the twist knob and the zone will begin to heat. The status of the heating is displayed until the set temperature has been reached. Once the power level has been reached, add the oil, add the ingredients, and monitor the cooking, turning the foods as needed. Cooking with the wireless sensor. To cook with the wireless sensor, add the liquid or oil to the pan, ensuring it covers the sensor, and cover the pan. Turn on the cooktop, select the cooking zone with the twist knob, and 0 lights up in the display. Press the cooking sensor icon, a signal sounds, and the icon will light up in the display. Press the sensor symbol on the cooking sensor. Once the sensor is detected, the default temperature of 200 degrees lights up in the display. Use the twist knob to set the desired temperature. The status of the heating is displayed until the set temperature has been reached. Once the temperature has been reached, a signal sounds and the heat up indicator goes out, and the set temperature is displayed. Remove the lid and add the food. Unless frying with a lot of oil, food should always remain covered when cooking with the sensor. All pans relate differently to heat, but as a rule of thumb, you'll find that power levels 8 and 9 are perfect for boiling water and high heat sauté and searing. Levels 5 through 7 are ideal for frying and also for general cooking, while levels 2 through 4 are ideal for cooking grains and more delicate foods. The twist knob can be removed during cooking and cleaning and can be stored when the cooktop is not in use. Always clean the twist knob before placing it on the twist pad and store it away from any data carriers with magnetic strips. Never place metal spoons or spoon rests on the cooktop while it is active, and keep pans away from the twist pad while cooking. Cleaning. For safety, never clean the cooktop until it has cooled down, and to protect the surface, never use cleaning products that contain bleach, ammonia, or chlorine, and avoid abrasive scrubbing tools that can scratch the glass. Gaggenau recommends the following cleaning agents: Bonamie, soft scrub without bleach, and white vinegar. Also recommended is glass ceramic cleaner, available from the Gaggenau eShop. There are many benefits to induction cooking, and Gaggenau has enhanced those many benefits with the optimal functions and safety features included with this cooktop. This video provides an overview of the cooktop, but for in-depth information about using any of the functions, we encourage you to review the product user guide.